Dynamic montage of smart home gadgets in action. A robotic vacuum gliding. Lights changing color. A voice assistant responding. Imagine a home that works for you. Lights that adjust to your mood, gadgets that clean while you relax, and tech that makes life effortless. In today's video, we're diving into the coolest, smartest, and most game-changing home gadgets you never knew you needed. From security to convenience, these devices are designed to upgrade your everyday life. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's explore the future of smart living. Free your hands, keep it clean. Tired of daily litter box cleaning? Our self-cleaning litter box does it for you, keeping your cat's space fresh and odor-free even when you're away. Smart safety. Sensor stops instantly when your cat is inside. Whisper, quiet, 32 decibels. No noise, no stress. Spacious open-top design, comfort and freedom for your cat. Easy to clean. Tool-free disassembly and one-touch emptying. Ditch the cables. Charge anywhere. Tired of bulky chargers? This pocket-sized wireless charger keeps your Apple Watch powered on the go. Fast charging, high-speed wireless power with pass-through tech, magnetic hold, secure grip, no slipping, travel-friendly, lightweight, compact, and hassle-free, safe and reliable, overheat and overcharge protection. Includes 1200 milliamp hour iWatch charger, plus user manual, plus ditch the wires, elevate your sound. Tired of tangled cables and complicated setups? This wireless lav mic delivers crystal clear audio effortlessly. Auto connection, just plug in and go. Omnidirectional sound. No noise, just clear recordings. Wireless freedom, 50-foot range, perfect for any creator. Long battery life, 4.5 hours on a 2-hour charge. Perfect for vlogs, interviews, and streaming. Hassle-free. Upgrade your drive with comfort and storage. Enhance your car's interior with our premium center console cover, combining style, storage, and comfort in one sleek design. Extra storage space. Dual side pockets hold your phone, keys, and more. Luxurious comfort. Soft microfiber leather with memory foam support. Reduces fatigue. Ergonomic design relieves elbow pressure on long drives. Easy, secure installation. Elastic band and anti-slip backing for a perfect fit. Digital kitchen scale, accurate and compact. BPA-free, food-safe, safe materials for everyday use. Stainless steel platform. Wide LCD screen for easy reading. Weighs up to 11 pounds. Displays in pounds, ounces, grams, fluid ounces, milliliters. Tare function. Measures just food, not the container. Includes 2 AA batteries. Convenient and battery operated. Compact size, 8.3 by 7 by 1.3 inches. Easy to store. Dash Mini waffle maker, perfect size, big fun. Snack-sized waffles, cooks 4-inch mini waffles for quick bites or creative treats. Effortless use. Plug in, pour batter, and wait for the ready light. Non-stick surface, PTFE coating for easy release and cleanup. Versatile, make single servings or batch them for future cravings. Includes 1-year warranty and recipe guide, quick, fun, and delicious waffles. Anytime. Simplify organizing with Nelco Bluetooth. Label maker, compact and portable. Ultralight, fits in your pocket for on-the-go printing. Ink-free, high-quality printing. 203 DPI for crisp labels, no ink needed. Long battery life, rechargeable, lasts for multiple uses. Easy setup, connect via the Nelco app, iOS and Android, but not Android 14. Customizable, 90+ fonts and templates for all your labeling needs. Get organized effortlessly with this portable label maker. Levoit Core 200 SP air purifier. Breathe better, live better. Struggling with dust, pollen, and odors in the air? Enjoy cleaner, fresher air with ease. Genuine filters. Best performance and long lifespan with Levoit filters. 360-degree purification. Cleans air 5 times per hour in rooms up to 183 square feet. 3-in-1 filter. Removes 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Quiet operation. As low as 24 decibels for a peaceful environment. Smart control. Control with the VSync app or voice commands. Breathe easy with Levoit Core 200 SP. Effortless air quality. Fibero, the button. Control your smart home with a click. Managing multiple smart devices? Not anymore. Simplify your home automation with one button for countless actions. One click, endless possibilities. Control lights, security, and more with single, double, or triple clicks. Reliable Z-Wave protocol. Secure wireless connection for seamless integration. Customizable colors. Choose from 8 color options to match your style. Long-lasting, battery-powered for flexible mounting anywhere. Elevate your smart home with a click of a button. Philips Hue, soft white smart light bulbs. Illuminate your home with ease. Struggling to find the right light for every moment? Effortlessly create the perfect atmosphere with dimmable, soft, white light. What's in the box? 4 smart A19 bulbs for versatile lighting. Voice control. Use Alexa or Google Assistant to control your lights hands-free. Unlock full potential. Add a Hue bridge for smart automations and global control. Ideal lighting. Set the right mood for dinner, relaxation, or every moment in between. Transform your home with light that fits every occasion. Nest Protect Smoke and CO Detector. Smarter, safer, and more. Convenient worrying about smoke or carbon monoxide while you're not home? Get peace of mind with phone alerts and real-time notifications even when you're away. Voice alerts. Friendly, clear warnings for smoke and carbon monoxide. Split-spectrum sensor. Detects both fast-burning fires and smoldering ones. App Silence. Silence alarms directly from your phone when it's just a little smoke. Pathlight. Lights your way in the dark as you pass underneath it. Stay connected and always safe with Nest Protect. Struggling with tangled hair and hard-to-reach spots? T-Bot. T30S handles it all effortlessly with powerful suction and smart features. All-in-one cleaning, robot, and handheld vacuums with auto-empty docking station. Hot mop cleaning, mop washing, drying, and auto water refilling. 11,000 PA suction power. Cleans carpets and floors with ease. True edge mopping cleans corners and edges precisely. Zero tangle tech. No more hair tangles. Smart navigation avoids obstacles with True Detect and True Mapping. Easy control, voice commands, Apple Watch, or Alexa for seamless use. Moen Smart Leak Detector. Stop water damage before it starts worried about potential leaks and water damage when you're not home. Get peace of mind with 24/7 monitoring and real-time alerts right to your phone. Smart Leak Detection monitors moisture levels in key areas like basements, laundry rooms, and more. Real-time notifications alerts you via the Moen Smart Water app to keep you in the loop. Whole home protection. Connect multiple detectors for complete coverage. Remote sensing disc reaches tight spaces up to 48 inches to detect leaks in hard-to-access areas. iRobot Brava Jet M6, your smart floor cleaner. Tired of scrubbing sticky messes and grime by hand? Let the Brava Jet M6 handle the hard work for you with automated, efficient cleaning. Efficient cleaning. Sweeps and mops, hardwood, tile, and stone floors. Precision jet spray tackles tough messes like grease and sticky spills. Smart automation automatically recharges and resumes cleaning. Advanced navigation. iAdapt 3.0 and VSLAM tech ensure thorough coverage. Tired of dead zones and slow Wi-Fi? Enjoy seamless, high-speed coverage in every corner of your home. Next-gen Wi-Fi 6, AX 3000 speeds, 2,402 megabits per second, plus 574 megabits per second. Whole home coverage, up to 6,500 square feet, better than extenders. Connect 150 plus devices. Reliable, lag-free performance. More gigabit ports, 9 ports, 3 per unit for faster wired connections. AI-driven mesh smartly adapts for the best Wi-Fi performance. Easy setup and Alexa support. Control via the Deco app or voice commands. Advanced security. TP-Link. Home Shield for network protection. Stronger, smarter, and faster Wi-Fi for your home. Tired of dealing with clogged drains from hair and small objects? The Alluvor hair catcher traps hair, jewelry, and debris while keeping water flowing smoothly. Universal fit. Tall dome design fits flat and pop-up drains. Efficient hair and jewelry catcher prevents blockages effortlessly. Foldable silicone. Easy to use, clean it. Light up your garden with dancing firefly. Lights, static dull solar lights lack charm. Our patented firefly design sways with the wind for a magical glow. Layered look and brighter, 8 LED bulbs. IP65 waterproof and all-weather durable. Up to 12 hours of glow. Easy installation, no wires. Perfect for gardens, patios, and as a gift. Elevate your space with this stylish ceiling fan. Struggling with bulky fans or dim lighting? Our 3-in-1 retractable chandelier ceiling fan combines beauty, elegance, and functionality. 42 inches extended, 18.8 inches retracted. Adjustable blades with remote control. 3 light colors and 6 fan speeds. Customize your comfort, energy saving, motor and quiet operation. Enjoy peaceful living. Perfect for bedrooms, dining rooms, or any modern space. Keep your bathroom fresh and comfortable. Struggling with stuffy air and humidity in your bathroom? Our 80 CFM Energy Star certified fan clears the air quickly and quietly. Quiet operation, 0.7. Zones for peaceful performance. Efficient ventilation, perfect for rooms up to 75 square feet. Easy installation, retrofit from room side, no attic access needed. True seal damper, reduces air leakage by 50% for better home performance. 3-year warranty for your peace of mind.
Feeling cold? Meet The Drio space heater. This 1500-watt marvel heats up 200% farther with advanced PTC tech and heat funnel design. Top-notch safety, ETL certified, tilt detection, flame retardant, and overheat protection. Set temps from 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit with the energy-saving NTC chipset. Whisper quiet at 34 decibels, portable and perfect for any room. Stay warm, stay safe, stay comfortable with the Drio space heater.
Your little driver's next adventure starts here. Most ride-on toys lack realistic features that spark kids' imaginations. This Amazon delivery van ride-on lets kids drive, deliver, and play like a real Amazon driver. Amazon exclusive design. Authentic blue delivery van style. Easy to ride, perfect for toddlers ages 2+. Safe and durable. Sturdy construction for endless fun. Interactive play encourages imaginative delivery adventures. The perfect gift for your little package handler. Philips Hue soft white smart light bulbs illuminate your home with ease. Struggling to find the right light for every moment? Effortlessly create the perfect atmosphere with dimmable, soft white light. What's in the box? 4 smart A19 bulbs for versatile lighting. Voice control. Use Alexa or Google Assistant to control your lights hands-free. Unlock full potential. Add a Hue bridge for smart automations and global control. Ideal lighting. Set the right mood for dinner, relaxation, or every moment in between. Transform your home with light that fits every occasion. Vic collapsible wagon. Built tough, ready for adventure. Durable and strong, high-strength steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric. Supports up to 440 pounds. All-terrain wheels, 4.8-inch PVC wheels, handle sand, grass, and rough ground with ease. Compact and foldable. Lightweight, 13.4 pounds. And folds flat for easy storage. Convenient features, ergonomic handle and cup holders for extra comfort. Multi-purpose use. Perfect for the beach, camping, groceries, or sports gear. Load up and roll with ease.